Hi, this is Josh Arnett doing a demonstration of a fraction activity called apples and bananas. And this is to help students develop a sense of what fractions mean, how to figure them out, and could be a lead-in to help them begin to reason abstractly. So we start, on this example, it'll be apples and oranges as my manipulatives. We start with a certain number of manipulatives, say 3 apples and 6 oranges. Here are my manipulatives. Students will look at that and they will say, okay, how many do we have in total? There's 9. And how many are apples? 3. So what fraction is it? Well, it's 3 out of 9. And of course, 6 out of 9 would be the other half. Then you could say, okay, let's have 8 and 4. Same thing, 4 apples, 8 oranges, 12 total, 4 out of 12, 8 out of 12. Now you could also say, as a comparison, there are, well, this is sort of getting into the expansion, but if you wanted to work on, say, ratios, there are 4 apples for every 8 oranges. Ratio is 4 to 8. Excuse me. You could also see if they can come up with equal groups of apples and oranges, and as an example, because I'm not using the terminology very well at the moment, pairing these off, sets of 2 oranges per 1 apple, the ratio is 2 to 1, to demonstrate how to find the simplest form of a fraction, which in this case would be 2 to 1, 1/3, 2/3, ratio would be 1 to 2, things like that. Now this is a handy one for English language learners because it uses very basic English vocabulary, apple, oranges, to help them be able to build that activity. If you actually had apples and oranges, that would further solidify that. I only have these manipulatives. You could certainly add more variables. So now we're adding, say, 4 bananas to the mix. And let me just grab my manipulatives real quick. Adding 4 bananas. So that'd be a total of 16 objects. Half of them are oranges, 1/4 are apples, 1/4 are bananas. To expand on that for the kids who need that enrichment. So that's my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it.